Slobodyan and Stefan have created a community.
They were caused a lot of troubles by enemies of Ukraine, but it was risen again and flowered with cherry gardens due its brave defenders called Cossacks. Those everybody of them dreamt of not fighting, but building, seeding, and living in a peace.
What a beautiful and wonderful is our land.
Wow! And we are going to put our settlements right here.
And they have found their settlements right here. They've built their white huts and planted cherry gardens. Then they married the most beautiful Ukrainian girls, who bore them lot of sons and daughters in order to have famous Cossacks generation forever. The time passed. Slobodyan and Stephan were living peacefully, wealthy and healthy. They have written their testament for their descendants. Until you are united, nobody will be able to win you. To honor Slobodyan, thankful descendants have called their settlement Slobozhansk, and close to that place there was situated the Stepan's settlement, where was found Stepové village. Lots of generations have changed since that time, and the first democratic local government was elected. The descendants of those famous Cossacks were elected too. It was happened that in Slobozhansk village people live better than in a small village Stepové. Here and there, the houses appeared like the mushrooms after rain. The pavements were put everywhere. The fountain, the flower beds, and the lawns were building in the center of the square. Slobozhansk was turning into the modern European village from day to day. Suddenly, like the thunderstorm in the cloudless sky, the news was proclaimed about uniting the colorful village Slobozhansk to a city. Young and old inhabitants of Slobozhansk gathered together to say no that uniting. So it was born the local community gромada of the village Slobozhansk, that was able to defend its interests, choose its own way of development, and encourage its senior one, Slobodyan, who was one of the best candidates. As you know, that not far from Slobozhansk, there was another village Stepové. Since ancient time, there lived hard-working people who were busy in growing corn and cattle. Nevertheless, working hardly in their farm, since morning to the night, they lived more poorly. Once, Slobodyan decided to visit his neighbor Stepan. He met his guest with gladness. Having seen all the troubles of Stepové village, Slobodyan remembered about ancient ancestor testament. He suggested to unite both villages for general future prosperity and wealth of their village and their people. When the first united gромада was formed, the citizens were very glad to meet announcement about union, because they have got the opportunity to spend their own budget. They started to rebuilding roads, to warm houses and schools for winter, to build sports grounds and the wonderful big modern kindergarten, the world of wonders. This gромада of people has really become progressive, exciting, friendly, hardworking, and what is the most important, independent and self-confident.